Today's class is about Today's class is about the hybridization of ethane, as we are much aware that ethane is the second member of the alkane family. And what are the alkanes? Alkane are the saturated hydrocarbons in which all the valencies of the carbon are satisfied by the single covalent bond. So this is the second member of the alkane family. So today we will discuss about the hybridization of ethane or the hybrid orbital structure of the ethane. As far as concerned with the ethane, so first of all, if we will consider the molecular formula of ethane, that is C2H6. So we will draw the open structure here. Each carbon is attached with another carbon, and each carbon is attached with 3 hydrogen here, and this carbon is attached with the same carbon having 3 single covalent bond with other 3 hydrogens. So if we will consider the structural formula of the C2H6 or ethane, so here as we are much aware that carbon is a tetravalent, so carbon making 3 single covalent bond with the hydrogen and 1 with another carbon. So this is the open structure. In ethene molecule, we will consider carbon as the central element. So first of all, we will draw the ground state electronic configuration of the carbon. We are much aware that carbon atomic number 6, ground state electronic configuration, that is 1s2, 2s2, 2px, 2py, 2pz. 2 into 4, and we have to complete the 6 electrons. 2 into 4, 5 and 6. This is the ground state electronic configuration. But during the process of the absorption of the energy, that depends upon any type of the source. Any element can absorb the an amount of the quantity of energy from electric spark, from the heat. So during this process, the substance undergo the excitation process and it will observe the excited state. So the carbon in excited state will give the phenomena in which the one electron from 2s orbital will move towards the 2pz orbital due to the quantity of the absorption of the energy. So excited state electronic configuration will be 1s2, 2s2, 2px, 2py and 2pz. So that will be 2s1, 2px1, 2py, 2pz. If you will consider the second outermost orbit having the 1s, 2px, 2py, 2pz, they all are the half-filled atomic orbitals. That is why they will undergo the bonding in order to complete their octet or in order to complete their valencies. So the carbon will undergo here sp3 hybridization, in which one carbon will undergo the redistribution of 1s and 3p orbitals such as px, py and pz. And what is the sp3 hybridization? The type of the hybridization in which 1s and 3p orbital will undergo to give you how many atomic orbitals? Hybrid orbital? 4 sp3 hybrid orbital. And what is the hybridization? The process of the redistribution of the atomic orbital having the different shape, different energy in order to form a new equivalent set of the hybrid orbital having the same shape and the same energy. If you will consider S of the spherical, S having the spherical shape uniformly distributed 3 axes, while the P having the dumbbell shape, P on Px, Py, Pz. So that will combine to give you how many equivalent set of the hybrid orbital. How many hybrid orbital? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will get 4 sp3 hybrid orbital. 4 sp3. If you will consider 1 sp, that will be this one. This one, 1 sp. So we will get the 4 sp3 hybrid orbital of this quantity. As the carbon having the capability to undergo the sp3, sp2, sp hybridization. And we also want to consider the what type of the hybridization we are having in sp2. In sp2, 1s orbital will combine 1 px and 1 py, and 1 pz will be unhybridized. So how many atomic orbital? 1, 2, 3. 3 atomic orbital will undergo hybridization. So we will obtain 3 sp2 hybrid orbital. geometry will be trigonal, angle will be 120 degree. And if you will consider SP, then it will combine 1S, 1 px, 1 py, and 1 pz. They px, py, and the pz will be unhybridized orbital, and both s and px will combine to give you how many? 1 and 2. 2sp hybrid orbital. Shape will be linear, angle will be 180 degree. But if you carbon having the capability to give you the sp3, sp2, and sp. So what will be the criteria that in what compound carbon will undergo that particular suitable hybridization? So first of all, we'll have to consider the structural formula. If carbon making the 4 single covalent bond 1, 2, 3, 4, then carbon will undergo 4 sp3 hybrid orbital. If carbon will attach with the 3 element 1, 2, 3, it will give you sp2 hybridization. If carbon attach with 2 different elements, it will give you sp. So as far as concerned in the molecule of the ethene, carbon will undergo sp3 hybridization having tetrahedral pattern, this one, or angle will be 109.5 degree. So we will draw here. One, two, three, 4. This is one carbon. Okay, 4 sp3 hybrid orbital we are having. This carbon is attached with another carbon, which also give you 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals. Okay, now 1, 2, 3. Carbon utilizing 3 sp3 hybrid orbital to making single covalent bond with the hydrogen. This is the s orbital of the hydrogen making single covalent bond. This is sigma bond because it deals with the end-to-end overlapping. So this is sigma bond. Name of the overlapping will be sp3s overlapping. Another hydrogen, another sigma bond, another hydrogen, another sigma bond. This is end-to-end overlapping. Sigma bond, sigma bond, sigma bond. Name of a overlapping will be sp3. But if you will consider here in ethene molecule, the sp3 hybrid orbital overlap with another sp3 hybrid orbital making the sigma bond, but name of the overlapping here will be different. sp3, sp3, and angle will be 109.5. So here this sp3 hybrid orbital contain carbon half-filled atomic orbital, half-filled, 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 half-filled. Hydrogen also contain 1, 1, 1. So the hybridization is the process in which carbon making tetrahedral pattern and making how many total sigma bond? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Carbon making 7 sigma bond in such a way that 6 sigma bonds with carbon and hydrogen. Name of overlapping will be sp3s, and one with carbon with sp3 overlapping. So this is the hybrid orbital structure in which carbon undergoing tetrahedral pattern and making sp3 hybridization.